Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we dive into this EA review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, we are taking an objective look at an expert advisor called Aurum Apex EA, which is available for both MT4 and MT5. Gold automated systems always draw a lot of interest in the trading community. So our goal in this video is to walk through the MQL5 Marketplace details, inspect its settings, and evaluate a recent historical backtest to see how this system handles market price action. So looking at the MQL5 Marketplace listing, Aurum Apex EA is developed by Martin Alejandro Bamonte. The software is listed at a purchase price of $699 with a monthly rental option available at $499. Now, according to the developer's notes, Aurum Apex EA is engineered as a high frequency or HFT automated system specifically for trading gold or XAUUSD on both MT4 and MT5. The developer highlights several important account requirements. The account types are raw or ECN spread accounts. They are strictly required, while standard, micro, mini, or cent accounts are not recommended. Then the platform configurations: if you choose to run the EA on MT5, your trading account must support hedging mode, okay, as it will not function on netting accounts. All right, MT4 accounts support hedging by default. Now, for the leverage and infrastructure, the developer suggests utilizing higher leverage to maintain sufficient margin headroom, especially on smaller accounts. Additionally, while a dedicated VPS can reduce execution latency, the seller notes that the system does not strictly require premium virtual hosting to operate. Now, the EA comes with two standard presets based on starting capital: 200 plus preset for smaller account balances, and a 1K plus preset for accounts starting at $1,000 or higher. Examining the settings inputs, the system offers configurable risk percentage inputs, daily loss caps, and trade timing filters. It includes options like set at 20% and all of that. Now, from a trader's perspective, having strict percentage-based risk parameters is critical for capital preservation when trading volatile instruments like gold. Now, because gold exhibits significant intraday movement, setting conservative daily loss filters and appropriate lot sizing directly impacts how much drawdown your account experiences during extended market trends. Okay, so now let me transition over to a recent historical backtest report that I did on MT5, okay, using 100% tick quality data on XAUUSD over the H1 time frame. All right, so looking at the completed trade history, the backtest covered a period from July 1st to July 20th, 2026, starting with an initial balance of $10,000. Over this approximately 20-day span, the EA executed 584 total trades, reflecting a very active, high-frequency trading behavior. Now, observing the chart and the trade log behavior, a few key execution characteristics stand out. Okay, now for the trade duration, positions were held for short durations. averaging around 39 minutes per trade, ranging from quick 9-second scalps to multi-hour holds. Okay, now for the position scaling, the trade order log shows that when price moved against an initial position, the EA scaled volume up across successive orders. For instance, progressing from 0.08 to 0.12, 0.18, and up to 0.51 lots to exit the position cluster once price retraced. All right. Now, as for the win rate versus the risk to reward ratio, the system achieved a high overall win rate of 75.86%, winning 283 short trades and 301 long trades. However, the average profit trade was just $27.95, while the average loss trade was $123.2. All right. So because the average loss was noticeably larger than the average win, a sequence of adverse market moves resulted in a net drawdown of 4,990.25 for this specific 20-day backtest window, leading to a profit factor of 0.71 and a peak equity drawdown of 56.45%. All right. So at the end of the day, the balance was almost 50% of the balance was lost. All right. So this backtest highlights an important lesson in quantitative analysis. A high win rate alone does not guarantee net profitability if the underlying risk to reward ratio is asymmetrical. Okay, so it is essential to keep in mind that historical backtests reflect performance under specific historical parameters and market conditions. Live trading results for any expert advisor will vary based on the broker spreads and execution speeds, slippage during high volatility events, and applied lot sizes and customized risk settings. So I always recommend conducting your own extended testing across longer historical periods and forward testing any system on a demo account first before considering live capital. In conclusion, the Aurum Apex EA offers a high-frequency trading option for MT4 and MT5 traders who favor active gold trading strategies, but managing position sizing and drawdown risks remains vital. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next review. Trade safely. And if you have not yet liked this video, you might want to do that now, and also subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you. See you in the next one.